The letters EX can say many different sounds in English. They say ix in explain, exclude, excited, expensive. They say igs in example, exact, exist, executive. They say X in extra, ex-wife, text, exercise. Here's how to know which to say. When the letters EX are in the unstressed syllable and the following sound is a consonant, say ix. Explain, exclude, excited, expensive. When letters EX are in the unstressed syllable and the following sound is a vowel sound, say igs. Example, exact, exist, executive. When letters EX are stressed, in a suffix or at the end of the word, say X. Extra, exercise, ex-wife, text. Try practicing in sentences. My ex-wife is excited to be an executive. I'm not excited about the extra exercise. Please explain with examples. Get more help for all of the sounds of American English in our Sounds of American English course on speechmodification.com.